Hello friends, today I'm busy with this LG. This LG have a different problems. As you can see, the customer is complaining about code. So I already opened it at the back and I already plug it. So I'll show you this code. How does it look like as I'm turning on? Boom, that is PE. So it's Port Elizabeth code. That is a pressure switch or pressure pump, but the problem it's right here. So I have to check here if there's no broken wires, and also check this pressure switch if it's fine. Firstly, I'm going to take my pressure switch and test it with it, and then I'll see. Now I'm switching off. Alright, this is my pressure switch. So unplug this one out, so and test this one right here. And I'm switching on. The code is gone. You see, that is a pressure switch problem. This is a problem, so I need to change this one. Then I have to take this one out and replace with this one. Now the problem is solved. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Subscribe, follow my page, and keep asking questions. Maybe you might get help. So, and also technicians, ask questions so that we can help, because our goal is to help the customers. So, and also I have a group that if you want to be in my group, get the customers, talk to me. And also if you want to learn from me, I have online classes, individual classes. Talk to me, I'll be your man. I will help you. Anyone who's also, yeah. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.